Hey, I'm Jeff Kennan and I'm out on Highway 98 in North Raleigh. This road, when I was a kid, seemed like the longest, straightest stretch of road I'd ever seen in my life. Of course, I'd never been to Montana at that time, and so there's really no comparison now. But as a kid, I loved to come out here on this road and drive, of course, the speed limit, down this straight road. Well, this reminds me about personal and professional growth and goal setting. It's not a straight road. It's not a straight set. It's gonna take time and there's gonna be a lot of diversions. For those of us who grew up watching sitcoms, everything gets resolved in 22 minutes and it has a start, a muddle, and then a finish, because it gets all muddled around in the middle. There's 3 rules that I keep in mind when I think about goal setting. And one of the rules is to pack for these journeys with a little bit of extra gasoline and luggage. Diversions are gonna happen, and that's just the way it is when you're reaching goals. The second thing is, as you're going down the road, so to speak, in your journey, you're gonna lose sight of that end goal. Well, don't be discouraged when you lose sight. Stay the course, because you will get to that end goal. And the last thing is that as you go along this journey, you might find that your actual finish line changes a little bit because you're going to grow and change while you're on the journey. And all of this means you need to have a little grace with yourself while reaching your goals. I'm Jeff Kennan. Have a great day.